Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to install Darktable on Ubuntu 24.04. Before installing any new software, it's a good practice to ensure your current system packages are up to date. This mitigates potential compatibility issues that may arise during the installation process. Installing Darktable using the apt manager is straightforward. This convenience is one reason why this method is popular among Ubuntu users. In your terminal, execute the following command. Now that we've successfully installed Darktable, it's time to open the software and explore its capabilities. You can launch Darktable from the desktop application menu. You can find Darktable among your other installed applications and launch it with a simple click. Keeping software up to date is a best practice in the tech realm. Updates often provide new features, improved functionality, bug fixes, and security enhancements. In the case of Darktable, the update process depends on the method you initially used to install the software.